Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for Nintendo Switch users. This guide will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check for software updates. Make sure your Nintendo Switch console is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for updates. Step 2. Clean the joystick. Dust and debris can cause joystick drift. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean around the joystick. Move the joystick in all directions while cleaning to ensure you remove any particles. Step 3. Calibrate the joystick. Go to System Settings, select Controllers and Sensors, and then choose Calibrate Control Sticks. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate your joystick, which can help fix drift issues. Step 4. Reset the controller. If calibration doesn't work, try resetting the controller. Hold the small reset button on the back of the controller for a few seconds. This can help restore the controller to its default settings. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, it may be a hardware issue. Reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance or to inquire about repair options. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift issues effectively. If problems continue, professional help may be necessary.